If you're struggling with adding text to your AutoCAD drawing, you've come to the right place. Let's dive right in. Adding text to AutoCAD is really simple. What's really difficult is learning how to use the annotation, which I have a video for that right here in the top right hand corner. Go check that out if you need help with annotation. I'm just going to deal with text right now. So the first thing you guys are going to want to do is come to your drawing, and wherever you need text, you're just going to come up here to the annotation ribbon right here, and you're going to see there is a giant A. Now, if you click down on the text drop-down menu, you're going to see there's single-line text and multi-line text. I always recommend using multi-line text because you can always have a single line in multi-line, and it's just more versatile if you do need to edit things in the future. So just come here, click on the A, and then we're going to start getting this going on our drawing. You're going to notice when you click on text that when you come back to your drawing, you're going to have an ABC that is in the bottom right-hand corner of your cursor. What this does is it shows you how large your text is going to be relative to your cursor and your drawing. So if you're drawing a drawing and you can't see the A, B, and C, you're really small. If you struggle to see it, you need to be able to adjust that. Again, go check out the annotation video and that'll go over everything for you. So if you come here and you click wherever you want your text, you just click where you want your text, you draw a box. So this box is the boundary of your text, and it kind of shows you how large and how much you can type before it's just going to disappear and you won't be able to see it. You can always adjust this, so just click where you need it. So I'm just going to make it that large, and then I'm just going to type in AutoCAD text tutorial for beginners. And you're going to see that the bounds of my box were over here, and I can just go here, I can just drag it and make the width longer. I can also drag this down and make the height more, and then that's pretty much it. So when you're done with this, again, pressing enter just spaces through your text. You're not going to want to do that. To get out of it, you can either click off or you can press escape. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. It really helps the channel. And if you're really new to AutoCAD and you want to learn how to use the program more, you can go click on the top right hand corner for our 15-minute AutoCAD class. And if you want something more in-depth that'll teach you how to do AutoCAD better, then we've got something on our website. Go check that out in the description, and we'll see you next time.